In the last number of years, we've had the benefit of attending a number of these national net lease conferences, and we've even had the opportunity to moderate a few panels and actually be a panelist on a number. This year, we went to the Mesirow Financial and Jenner & Block conference for the very first time, and it was on Tuesday in Chicago, and it was just terrific. The atmosphere was very collegial, but the message was very, very clear that we are in a situation coming out of the recession of limited supply, which we all are well familiar with, and a great discussion about the relationship with the cap rates and the debt rates. And of course, as many of us have been monitoring the market closely, the debt rates have moved here, and it's going to have a tremendous impact on the rest of the year's acquisitions. One of the major epiphanies I had when I was there is that they identified in a couple of panels that the volume of business here in the last couple of years, and particularly the last half of 2012 and the first half of 2013, have been in the range of $14 billion of transactions. The new information for me, which I've been aware of casually, but they put a very fine point on it, was that we know we have a shrinking pie of net lease properties available. What was made very clear is that half of that pie is effectively eaten by the three big public REITs even before these properties get to the market. So we have a shrinking inventory, which everyone is generally aware of, but it's going to be more critical for the rest of this year to have access to properties. We have access to both on-market and off-market properties through our database, and we really encourage you to call us, or we'll be calling you.